Hurricane Sandy is wreaking havoc over Cuba right now and is expected to graze or directly hit New England by early next week, according to the National Weather Service. Because of the size and power of this thing, it has the potential to be a historic storm, said meteorologist Charlie Foley. This is going to be something that people should plan and prepare for. Models show that the Category 2 hurricane could make landfall on the eastern coastline anywhere from New Jersey to Maine late Monday into Tuesday, Foley said. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Confidence continues to increase that the Bay State will be impacted by Sandy, according to a hazardous weather outlook from the Weather Service. Sandy could bring high seas, storm surges, heavy rainfall, coastal flooding, and hurricane-force winds. The marine weather statement from the Weather Service called Sandy a dangerous and potentially life-threatening storm for mariners. Offshore seas could be as high as 25 feet and winds could be strong enough to damage large vessels, the Weather Service reported. The storm moved across eastern Cuba this morning and will thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Make its way toward the Atlantic coast by the weekend. The hurricane is carrying winds up to 105 miles per hour and is moving north at 18 miles per hour, according to the Weather Service. Sandy will likely fluctuate between a Category 1 and Category 2 storm as it makes its way toward New England, Foley said. It will transform in the mid-Atlantic and lose some of its tropical characteristics, he said. A tropical hurricane typically has a compact core, but Sandy's core will expand as it hits. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Colder water. Wind speeds might not be as high once the storm reaches New England, but they will affect a wider area, he said. The makeup of the storm itself will change once it hits that colder air and a jet stream, he said. An area of high pressure in the Atlantic will likely prevent the storm from shifting out to sea, Foley said. Normally, a storm like this would head north and work its way over the colder waters and lose its energy and dissipate, he said. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. But in Sandy's case, it'd have to go left west or right east, Foley said. As we get closer, that will define itself. Although there is no consensus, most models are forecasting the shift to the west, toward the coastline. The least likely of the three possible impacts is that it will move out to sea, he said. Whether the storm makes landfall in New England or passes close by, Foley said property damage is possible. Sandy could cause snowfall in areas of higher elevation, but Boston will thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Only sea rain, Foley said. Trees still have their leaves, which makes them more susceptible to being blown down and falling on power lines. Foley said power outages similar to those caused by last year's Hurricane Irene are possible with Sandy. Those people suffered for a long time because they didn't get their power back for a while, he said. That, of course, is in the back of people's minds. Foley said the track and strength of the storm will change over the next few days, but the forecasters have the thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Most confidence in the possibility that the storm will get close to New England shores or hit them directly. There is no certainty. If you take the worst-case scenario, you want to be prepared for that, he said. This is a major event. This is something that people want to take seriously.